I'm making a jam nut that is a galvanized nut that's pressed out of a round with a hydraulic press. And it goes like this. I have a grade 8 bolt to maintain the threads on one side of the nut. Screw it in about not quite half the distance. And with a hydraulic press, take it down until this nut is up off the base. And this is a 12-ton jack. And there it is, out around. We'll go down till right there, and then it jams. Well, there we go. It's oval on one side, round on the other. And these are galvanized. And that's how I do it.